This is a guide on how you can create a Spotify playlist. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Okay, in order to create a Spotify playlist, you have to click on create. In the bottom, you'll see an option that says create in the end. So click on it. After that, you get two options, playlist and blend. So click on playlist. Okay, on this page, you get the option to change your playlist name. So I'm gonna go with old songs. Okay, you can just name it whatever you want. And then once you're done, click on create. And my Spotify has crashed for some reason. Okay, as you can see, the playlist was created. I don't know why it crashed, but okay, at least it worked. So yeah, this is your playlist and you can click on it, and then you'll see there's an option which says add to this playlist. You're gonna click on that, and then you can just search songs and add to this playlist. So I'm gonna search for some songs. Let's say whatever song you want. I'm gonna go with बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं. This is a Hindi song, so yeah. You're gonna click on this. Click on plus. Okay, so click on the plus icon in the end of the song, and it says add it to old songs. So yeah, as you can see, old songs, this is my playlist, and you can see the song that I have added, and that's pretty much it. That's how you create a playlist on Spotify.